have is this is just melted butter that I let get brown because brown butter, we call ourselves a butter family. We love butter. And this, we let this get nice and brown, and we're going to just add, we're going to make a quick batter.
So it smells nutty.
It smells
really
nutty,
delicious.
and it is so good. And it's really simple. All we're going to do is add, here, Bun, you want to stir for me?
Do you want to whisk?
Can you whisk it for me?
Grab that for us.
All right, okay, so we're going to add milk and eggs. Super, super simple, just like the easiest pancake batter in the world. A little bit of sugar. This doesn't need much. That's
a tiny little bit of sugar goes a long way.
Exactly, and then we're going to add more powdered sugar to the top, but it's not a super sweet thing. Here, can you give it a good whisk? There you go.
Get in there, I'll hold it for you.
There you go. Okay.
Get in there,
Now,
nice
should we let Rachel whisk?
Can I just get the one yolk?
All right, let Rachel get the one. All right, there she goes.
I got him.
So,
I love that. I love getting the yolk.
I was telling Dahlia all about Isabeau.
Isabeau is so wonderful. She had to go to school today, though, and you got to know.
I know. We had a good. What did we do this morning? We made cookies for her class for tomorrow.
Oh, wow, wonderful!
Yes.
What a nice thing to do for the whole class.
Exactly. It was just.
What kind of cookies do you like? Do you like oatmeal cookies, or do you like chocolate chip cookies?
I like chocolate chip too.
Yeah.
Yum.
All right, I put nutmeg in. Oh, you want to do the nutmeg too?
Yeah.
You love to do
Oh,
nutmeg.
I love the nutmeg.
Here, can you hold it?
I like extra, please. There you go.
You can add cinnamon to this. You could add whatever spices.
No, I'm a nutmeg
I'm a nutmeg
loving
girl too.
I'm a nutmeg
I love nutmeg.
lover.
Got it?
Good job.
Okay. Now we're going to pour this in here. Now the thing about this is that it cooks pretty quickly once you get it into this hot
pour
skillet.
it in, sweetheart?
Here, let's do it
Wanna
together,
help?
you and me together. Okay? Here, you hold the
Here you
handle,
go.
and I got it. All right.
Good
nice.
job. Nice transfer.
All right. And it is it in that oven
There's
over there?
another one in the
Okay,
oven
here,
there.
Bunny, I'm going to go grab it.
Because
what happens is we...
Here, take this pot holder. Mop bean.
Thank you. That just goes in the oven, and it's done in 20 minutes. Check
It's
this out.
so gorgeous.
Okay, people.
Oh, my gosh.
This is what it looks like, right? I love this thing.
Look at how cool that looks.
You got to admit, it's pretty good looking. Where's the
Yay,
Over here?
Tally, you want to come over?
Sure, where does this
You
go?
want to put it on the trivet there?
Yes, perfect.
Let's get this
And
out
then
of the
all
way.
we're going to do to finish it, okay, we put a little powdered sugar on the top,
Wow.
like that. Nice. Yeah, I know, the powdered sugar is not her favorite either.
You don't like sugar? Do you like vegetables? Do you have a favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable, no.
Nope.
Carrots?
What about fruit?
carrots? Do you like
I
carrots?
like carrots.
You like carrots? What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit, apple.
Apples are pretty
Apples are good. Apples a day. All right,
Apples
and then
are
did you
delicious.
see we put just a teeny
my
bit of lemon on top? And do we want to wait and eat this, or we want to eat this right now, or do we want to do the banana first?
Oh, you go ahead with the banana.
You
I'm
eat
gonna have
this?
a
Okay,
snack.
here, you have that. Good, right?